Guess what we just got? These are our new mattresses for the box fan. Got them on Amazon. They're 5-inch memory foam mattresses. Apparently that's the company name. Zinus or Zenus. And you can see that. Zenus.com. But like I said, we got them on Amazon and they were less than $100 a piece at the time of this recording. I'll put a link in the description so you can find them. Ready for the big unveil? I didn't even know these were going to be coming in a bag rolled up. This bag is not a toy.
Darn it.
They are very polite though. It says, "Hello, you." I hope this isn't like a whoa, like an I Love Lucy episode with a, you know, inflatable boat.
That looks really comfortable.
Doesn't look like something I want to sleep on right now, but
No pillow.
hand this to the responsible one. So I guess I'm being the responsible one for the moment. It says, please remove from packaging within 72 hours of receipt to make sure your mattress can grow to its full potential. Your mattress has been under a lot of pressure recently and may lash out if not unwrapped carefully. Please give him/her some space for 24 to 48 hours. This will give your mattress time to relax and decompress. You just got it right there. Is that actually in the bag? Yes, it is. Okay. This is actually very close to where it's going to go when we're finished with the box fan. That blue line is actually where this goes. So this will actually go all the way to the back of the truck, but I'm just going to put it right here for right now to expand. It's already expanding, you can see it. There they are together. That's 60 inches wide. So that is a queen size. It's plenty big, especially for a small space like this. We're going to put it just right back there. So it goes to the back wall, comes out. Okay, it'll come out to about here. And then our kitchen counter is going to be here, going to the end. The very end of the kitchen counter, over in that corner, will be a workstation, something that you can use as a kitchen space, but also can use as a workstation. So that'd be kind of cool. Well, this is pretty much going to wrap up this episode of Fit for Expedition. I hope you're getting something out of this box fan series and on the build of this box fan. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up. If you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe. There's a lot more videos like this on the channel. Also, if you know anybody who would like this type of video, please share it to them and leave a comment. I'll always get back to you. It's been Greg with Fit for Expedition.